We parked at Helmont House using Just Park. I'll show you on the app. So we're here for 3 nights and you get the choice of numbers 44 to 60 in this area. The entrance was just over there. Then you drove all the way around and you park up here in this section. Yeah. Okay, we'll go now. I haven't got a key. And we're into the Premier Inn. Let's go. And then this car park, Helmont House, and then you got the Premier Inn. Hold on.
Hello. Well, hello. I can't even read that. I have not done that.
You not even read it?
Cloud fluffy.
To the moon and back.
It's not how I want it.
Find your reservation. What are you doing? Better wait.
I can only do
301. Welcome to room 301.
right on the end by the left.
Ignore all this. What is here? Woo!
It's so big. Baby.
Whoa, this is massive.
This is my baby.
This is well big.
Where'd you put
This is the biggest Premier Inn room I've ever been in.
I put this back. Yeah, I put this. Please.
Let's have a look out the
I
window.
knocked that down.
What we got a view of.
I definitely.
And there's a view of Cardiff.
Cardiff is like really big. Can I look?
Yeah, come on up.
Lynn, I can't.
Make sure you don't put your shoes on the bed though.
I took my shoes off.
Oh, good.
I'll get in.
Do a quick room tour. So we've got one bed with a chair and a lamp.
Ow.
You got plugs, several plugs, another bed,
I'm
for
not
Lacey.
I have no idea what this is.
super king bed,
Oh.
and then you got your tea, your coffees.
Yeah. Don't put me in the closet.
So might get a couple more from downstairs if they've got some. Remote control. Join us at the social. Food and drink. Get the party started. And then you got your nice big TV.
Oh my God.
Their Wi-Fi?
There will be. It's probably.
Dad?
Yeah.
What?
It's like a little closet look for little kids.
Oh, mine?
Look. Look if you fit in there.
Ow.
Oh,
Mine. This is my closet.
this is your closet.
That's Liz. How about that's all of the big ones and this is the only small one?
Yeah. Got spare pillows as well. It's cool.
This is only the small kids' room. And bed.
And then you got your bathroom.
And bed.
Hi.
And my bed.
Nice shower, bath. Try that towels,
Look up the window.
sink, soaps. This, I can't believe how big it is. It's like,
This is 2 beds.
no joke, from me to where Katie is right now, it's like half a football pitch.
It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I get Eddie Anxious's bed?
Yeah. So we've unloaded the car, and we're now in the Premier Inn.
I'm just saying.
In the biggest Premier Inn room ever.
What is this Premier Inn called?
Queen Street.
Queen Street. We'll show you on the screen grab now. And just to point out, the Helmont House Car Park is literally
I'm
outside.
just getting
Just
ready.
Park.
And you can do that on Just Park.
I'm just getting
Pre-book.
really anxious.
Because the Premier Inn recommend NCP, but I think that's a little bit of a walk, isn't it?
Yeah.
Guys,
So,
But you have to pre-book Helmont House.
yeah, best to pre-book on Just Park, and I will show you that on the screen shot
do you want
now.
to go vlog?
Yeah,
Do you want to go and see I'm setting up Anxious's room?
go on then. Here you go.
Can they watch me do it?
Yeah.
That's why I had the sandwich
No. Back maybe. My bag on.
Your destination is on
6.5 hours later.
Turn right when you walk in, which will take you to guest supplies. And here,
Dad, turn the camera.
so you got guest supplies. You got ironing boards. You got spare laces. You got spare lilies, pillows, and all your teas and coffees, and milk and sugar. Run, 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 run. She's probably in the room, babe. 301.
Baru.
Say goodbye to the room. Goodbye to the light.
Ready?
Bye, room 301.
Hurry up, guys.
Bye, 301.
What's it called?
So, entrance to the car park. Door of the Premier Inn. Let's go. You walk down these steps.
I jumped over one step.
Whoop.
I jumped over that. I missed the bottom step.
The red bar.
Yeah, where it says 2 meters. You wanted the left mate. Oh, right. Oh my god, it says Premier Inn parking only.
So you can book it with Premier Inn.
There's only a limited space as well. All these are Premier Inn.
All of those?
£10 per night. £10 per
Take a
night.
picture for you.
That's
Yeah,
so
please,
weird.
babe. Yeah, but why not tell you that? Or it was too late, I don't know. Or it had gone up. Yeah.
in 200
Yeah,
yards.
it's one way.
Turn right onto Newport Road, A4161.
Silly Billy.
Bye, Premier Inn Cardiff.
Bye.
Bye, Helmont House Car Park.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.